amigos, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenido a mi cocina. If that is your first time here, welcome you. And here you will find recipes from my country of origin, Spain. Today I'm going to share with you a very refreshing salad, as we are in the summer already and we need some, plate and dishes for our lunches or dinner that are very refreshing and light. That recipe is from the south part of Spain, Andalusia, and it's a very simple and really wonderful recipe. Hoy voy a compartir con ustedes una ensalada muy refrescante de la parte del sur de España, que es para el verano, es fantástica. All the ingredients for this recipe you can find it at the end of this video. So let's start today. For this salad we are going to use a few ingredients. So I have some cucumber and fresh cucumber, green pepper. I use the long green pepper. In Spanish they call it Italian green pepper. I prefer those for salad because they are a little bit more sweet, but feel free to use bell pepper, that is fine. And tomatoes. So we are going to starting to peel our tomatoes. What I like to, when you buy the tomatoes now in the summertime is the time to buy tomatoes. They have to be very red and finding that they are very hard, soft but not very, the reddish whenever you can get it. So the only thing with the tomato, I try not to put the white part here, that is bitter. So, and you just cut the tomato with the seed, everything, but without the skin. I have one cucumber. One thing that I like to do with the cucumber when I use it for a salad, I peel it, and with a spoon I take out the seed, because the seed has a lot of water, so when you put it in the salad, make it very watery. So I have here in the bowl that I'm going to use the salad, I have all my tomatoes. I have here like 4 tomatoes, but they were really big, and I peel it and I cut it. I have here my cucumber that, as I said, I cut it. Here I have one green pepper and I put it there. I have a half an onion chopped very small, and that is the base of that salad. I start to mix in all the salad, so you see that it's starting getting the summer colors. Okay, I have 2 hard-boiled eggs, and I have a mortar. So what I'm going to do is to take out the yolk with a spoon, and I put it here, and that one I'm going to cut it to add it to the salad. And I have my 2 yolk, and I have 1 garlic, and as I always tell you, you take out the vein. That one is really big, so we don't get it repeat the garlic. I take out and I put it here, and I put a little bit of salt, and we're going to use a can of olive oil, tuna, a good quality olive oil. Do it in olive oil tuna. And what I did is I have a little bit of the oil of the tuna. I'm going to put it inside the mortar, okay, with all the flavors of the tuna. And now with a fork, I'm just, smash the yolk. I can put a little bit of salt here, so it will be easier. And we are going to start mixing all this with my mortar, to make like a base for my salad. I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar, so like 1 tablespoon, 1, 2, 3, that is a quarter, and I mix it really well. And I put more oil, and I'm going to put that time more oil. Put the table. So, and I blend it, to have the base of my salad. So now I have, you see, it's a consistency of a cream. I have my salad, okay? So now I have my white of the egg that I'm going to cut it. That is depend how you like it, more small or bigger. Now I'm going to put my mixture that I had with the eggs. I'm going to try a little bit before, better try before you put it in the salad, just in case we need some. That is really good. Now I put it inside of my salad. That looks so good. So it's like a paste, and now I mix it really well. So I put my can of my tuna and I mix it really well with my salad. The salad is finished. I mix everything. I prefer to put it like in the container that I'm going to use it, and that one have a cover so we can leave it in the refrigerator. And now it's time to eat it. So I'm going to put a little bit in my plate, and so you to see. And also, one thing is the bread. For that salad, we eat a lot of bread in Spain, and the good thing you see that it has some liquid there, and that you soak the bread on that, and that will be very yummy. Some people, you can put an extra virgin olive oil on top of that, just a little bit, and let's try it to see how it looks like. That one is so refreshing. It's so nice. It's perfect for the summertime. You have here a full lunch, because have the protein with the tuna, the egg. You can add other veggies if you like it. And the mixture of that cream that you did it with the egg is, it's a different touch, and it's really refreshing. So that is my recipe for today. I hope you enjoyed that salad. If so, please thumb up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. And I see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Adios.